Hello, here we are in Premiere Pro, and I want to teach you how to use the mogrt file, the mogrt that is in the our project. So simple. First, make a new sequence, anything. Then go to Essential Graphic Panel. If you don't see that, go in the window, Essential Graphic here. Simply search the Instagram here, and you can see all the mogrt files. For example, I just drag and drop the number 4. You can import all of them. Just need to drag and drop the mogrt file in the essential graphic panel. Drag and drop this in the sequence and change sequence setting to make it exactly the size of our mogrt file. So simple, adjust it, just click on that, wait a second, and boom, you are in the editor. Here the text, best shoe, that's it. You can 15% off. That's simple, very simple. And there is the surprise. You should be in Premiere Pro 2021 to have this option. Now import a photo in your project. Look. Choose your photo, your image. Drag and drop in the placeholder. And that's it. That's it. For real, that's it. See, you have some options: scale to fill, scale to fit. You can change the scale, you can change the position. See, also you can import a video here. You can change the colors, saturation. Okay, oh, a bit darker. Okay, look, that's the important part. You can change the ratio. You can change the overall size of your project. Here the width and here the height. See, for example, you can make it square, 1080 to 1080. What do we do with the black? Make sure that nothing selected in your composition, sorry, in your sequence. Go to sequence setting, and wait a second. Make sure to import exactly the size of width and height here nothing selected. Sequence setting, choose your frames, exactly the same numbers, and that's it. Okay, I want to change, that's it. Simply you can render it out. Oh, also by default the duration is a 15 seconds, the restore time in Instagram restore time, but you can increase or decrease it. That's it.